Hi, I'm Alan Ross, Managing Editor of APC Media. We are here at the 2026 IEEE PES T&D Show.
This is a brief product portfolio of our range for high voltage electronic transmitters, typically used for electronic substation or high voltage substation. You can see here some example of our production. We manufacture everything in Italy. We have a factory which is specialized since 1999 in this kind of sensors. And you can see here that we have different ranges. We have density sensors. In this case, we have a Modbus connection. You can see here on the panel the parameters which are transmitted. We have a moisture sensor, means we read the moisture or humidity of water inside the tank. And you can read the parameters we transmit, for example, pressure, temperature, equivalent pressure, or density. We have simple pressure sensors in case we are working with a low pressure where the temperature is not varying so much. We have specific sensor for moisture, where we can read the relative humidity, we can read the temperature, and we calculate by our sensors the dew point temperature, which is the temperature at which humidity condensates inside the gas. And this is the newborn device. This is a newborn device which is specifically designed for oil, for transformer. And you can see here a simulation of the oil inside the transformer. Now you are looking at the probe of the sensor. And the sensor is capable of measuring the parameters inside the oil and transmit the ppm of water inside the oil, or the temperature and other parameters critical for this kind of operation. All the data normally are recollected by some gas hub or oil hub. And here we have a simulation of what is our solution. This is the most economic one. We have bigger one. We have touchscreen. We have done a lot of installations. Here is a representation of the parameters of a gas and a quick understanding and friendly communication for the customer.